Hello class 9C. In our last class, we discussed about the topic radical. What is a radical? Then we discussed about what is simple and compound radical. After that, we have seen what are basic and acid radicals. So in our last class, we have gone through these table, and I've given you the assignment also to copy this thing in your exercise notebook. Now, the basic radicals, or we call electropositive ions. It can be a monovalent, divalent having two charges, trivalent or tetravalent. So you need to remember the charge along with the symbol, how we are writing these ions. Similarly, we have seen for acid radical, that is electronegative ion, acid radical. Now, in this, we have got a monovalent electronegative ion, divalent, trivalent and tetravalent. This also you need to remember, because after this we are going to see how we can write down the chemical formula of any compound. So writing of chemical formula, and this method we call crisscross method. Say for example, if the compound is given as magnesium chloride, okay, then how to write down the formula for it. So first what we'll do, we'll separate the acid radical and basic radical. Okay, so the metals usually have got the positive charge, so they are basic radical, and the non-metals have got negative charge, so they are acid radical. So from this, magnesium is represented as Mg2 plus, chloride is represented as Cl minus. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll exchange the valency by writing. Say for example, the chlorine has got 1, so it will come for magnesium, and magnesium has got 2, it will come for chlorine. So when you write down the chemical formula for this, we'll write Mg. If it is 1, no need to write, then Cl2. So the formula is MgCl2. Similarly, if you go for calcium oxide can be written as this form: calcium ion Ca2 plus, oxide O2 minus. Since both of them have got the valency 2 2, we can cancel it and it will become 1 1. So if you exchange its valency, it becomes CaO. Similarly, when you see for aluminum hydroxide, Al3OH, okay, Al3 plus OH minus. So here what will happen, the valency of aluminum is 3 and OH is 1. So OH valency 1 will go for aluminum and 3 will come for OH. So it will form aluminum hydroxide. Similarly, if you see for ferric oxide is Fe3 plus, oxide is O2 minus. So 3 and 2. So when you exchange its valency, so this iron will take the valency of oxygen and oxygen will take the valency of 3. So it becomes Fe2O3. Sodium meta-aluminate. Sodium is written as Na plus, aluminate as Al(O2 minus. So when you just exchange its valency, since both of them have got the valency 1, it will be simply NaAlO2. Sodium aluminate Na plus AlO3 minus. So here the valency of aluminate is 3 minus, so it will come for sodium and it becomes AlO3 plus 1. So we write it as Na3AlO3. So this is how we can represent the chemical formula. Today's assignment number 4. Question number 1. Select the basic and acid radical in the following compounds. So from this you need to select which one is basic radical and which one is acid radical. Okay. Similarly for all these compounds: ammonium sulfate, zinc carbonate, magnesium hydroxide. Question number 2 is write the basic and acid radicals of the following and then write the chemical formula. So first you need to separate it, which one is basic radical, which one is acid radical, and after that by crisscross method write down the chemical formula for it, the thing that we have seen just before: magnesium sulfate, sodium carbonate, aluminum hydroxide, ammonium chloride. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.